Life on Earth presents a dazzling array of variety, a case in point being the stark contrast between organisms that wear their skeletons on the outside and those who keep theirs tucked safely inside. The first group, known as exoskeleton organisms, includes insects, spiders, and crustaceans. The second group, endoskeleton organisms, include mammals, birds, and reptiles. Exoskeletons offer unique advantages. They provide protection against predators and harsh environments. They give the organism a rigid structure for muscle attachment, facilitating movement. But there's a catch. As the organism grows, this rigid exoskeleton doesn't. This is where the fascinating process of molting, also known as ecdysis, comes into play. Imagine for a moment being confined in a suit of armor. As you grow, the armor stays the same size, becoming increasingly uncomfortable and restrictive. Eventually, you'd have no choice but to shed it. This is essentially what molting is. A dance of growth and renewal, where old tight shells are discarded, making way for new, larger ones. The process of molting is not a simple one. It's a multi-step journey that requires immense energy and exposes the creature to potential danger. It begins with the secretion of molting hormones that signal the organism's body to start creating a new exoskeleton beneath the old one. Once the new exoskeleton is ready, the old one splits open, usually along a specific line of weakness. The organism then extracts itself, a process that can take minutes or even hours depending on the species. But the ordeal is not over yet. The new exoskeleton is soft and vulnerable. It needs to harden, a process known as sclerotization. During this period, the organism is at its most vulnerable. It must hide away from predators, bide its time, and allow nature to take its course. Once the new exoskeleton hardens, the creature can return to its normal life, now in a body that fits just right. Molting is a testament to nature's ingenuity, a process that has evolved over millions of years to allow organisms with exoskeletons to grow and thrive. It's a cycle of renewal, a story of resilience and survival. It's a reminder that nature, in its infinite wisdom, often finds the most remarkable solutions to life's challenges. Take a moment to marvel at the wonder of molting. Reflect on the incredible journey these creatures undertake every time they outgrow their exoskeletons. Consider the courage it takes to expose oneself to danger, the patience required during the period of vulnerability, and the joy of emerging renewed, stronger, and ready to face the world. In the grand tapestry of life, molting is but one thread, yet it is a thread that weaves a story of growth, transformation, and resilience. A story that, like all of nature's stories, is worthy of our wonder and respect.